Mastering the structure of adjective clauses. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to explore an essential building block of English grammar, adjective clauses. Understanding adjective clauses and how to use them correctly will significantly improve your English language skills. Let's dive right into it. An adjective clause, also known as a relative clause, is a type of dependent clause that works to describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Just like an adjective modifies a noun, an adjective clause modifies a noun too. But unlike a single-word adjective, an adjective clause is a group of words that collectively give more information about a noun. Here's an example for you. The woman who is wearing a red dress is my teacher. In this sentence, the adjective clause is who is wearing a red dress, and it describes the noun, woman. Now, let's move on to understanding the structure of an adjective clause. Firstly, every adjective clause begins with a relative pronoun or a relative adverb. Relative pronouns include who, whom, whose, that, and which. Relative adverbs include where, when, and why. The structure typically looks like this: relative pronoun or adverb plus subject, if necessary, plus verb plus additional information, if any. Here's another example. The book that I am reading is very interesting. Here, that is the relative pronoun, I is the subject, am reading is the verb, and together they form the adjective clause. An important aspect of understanding the structure of adjective clauses is knowing how to punctuate them. Non-restrictive clauses, which provide additional, non-essential information, should be separated by commas. For example, my car, which is red, is parked outside. However, restrictive clauses, which provide essential information to understand the sentence, do not require commas. For example, people who smoke should quit for health reasons. In the second example, the adjective clause, who smoke, is essential to specify the group of people being referred to. And there you have it. That's your introduction to the structure of adjective clauses. Understanding and correctly using adjective clauses can make your English more precise and expressive. Keep practicing and soon enough, you'll master the use of these handy grammar tools. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.